Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and also click the bell icon so you can always be alerted when we make a video. Are you struggling with coughing at night? In this video, we will be showing you how to stop coughing at night without medicine. Dealing with a cough is bad enough during the day. When you cough, your body is responding to some type of irritant in your throat or airway, whether it be an allergen like dust or mucus in your throat from a cold. Coughing at night is super common, and it's caused by those same irritants. Why are you coughing at night? A worsening nighttime cough may happen simply because of how you're positioned. When you lie down, you lose the effects of gravity that were present while you were standing. That prone position makes it harder for your body to keep your airways clear. If you have postnasal drip from a cold or the flu, laying down can allow the mucus drainage to slide down into your throat, which will activate your coughing reflex. If you have acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD), that loss of gravity means the acid can come back up your esophagus, which can make you cough. Besides a cold, the most common causes of chronic nighttime coughing are GERD, postnasal drip, and asthma. That worsening effect, though, could be due simply to your environment. Dry air, like in the winter, can irritate your nose, throat, and airway, making it itchy and naturally making you want to cough. Outside air coming from an open window can trigger asthma symptoms, and allergic reactions to dust mites in mattresses or pillows can keep you coughing into the wee hours, too. Here, I will be giving you 8 simple tips on how to stop coughing at night even without medicine. 1. Incline the head of your bed. When it comes to nighttime cough, gravity is your enemy. All the postnasal drainage and mucus you swallow during the day backs up and irritates your throat when you lay down at night. Try to defy gravity by propping yourself up on some pillows while you sleep. Another trick for people with acid reflux is to stick wooden blocks under the head of the bed to raise it up by 4 inches. With that angle, you might keep acids down in your stomach where they won't irritate your throat. 2. Use a humidifier. Dry or warm air can irritate your throat and airways. Some people also cough when they turn their heater on during winter. This is due to the release of pollutants that build up in the heating ducts. A humidifier which produces cool mist can help keep the air in your bedroom moist and will prevent you from coughing at night. 3. Drink herbal tea with honey. Get into the habit of having a mug of non-caffeinated tea before going to bed. Any warm liquid can help break up mucus in your airways. Add a little honey. 4. Use steam cautiously. Dry airways can make your cough worse. You may find relief from taking a shower or a bath before bed. If you have asthma, you will need to consider that steam makes your cough worse. 5. Keep bedding clean. If you have a cough and are prone to allergies, focus on your bed. Dust mites, tiny creatures that eat dead flakes of skin which lurk in bedding, are a commonly allergy trigger. To prevent dust mites, make sure each week you wash your bedding in hot water. 6. Stay hydrated. Getting enough fluid inside your body is always a good idea, and even more so when you have a cold, as staying hydrated helps to thin mucus and make coughs more productive, and potentially help fight your infection. 7. Apply vapor rub. Vapor rub can help clear nasal passages, which can help relieve nighttime coughing. Make sure to rub vapor rub on your chest to prevent nighttime coughs. 8. Stop smoking. A chronic cough is a common side effect of long-term smoking. It is not a quick fix, but if you are a smoker, talk to your local general practitioner about programs to help you stay away from cigarettes. Not only will you cough improve, but your overall health will as a result of not smoking. Make sure you implement these tips and tricks in order to prevent nighttime coughs. If you still have nighttime coughs after 2 weeks of using these tips, please seek help from your doctor. If you found the video informative, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe.